Welcome to this section in the course. What we're going to be doing here is dissecting the theoretical side of our contract. So we're going to talk about exactly what an exchange is and define what the exchange we're building should be able to do. Basically outlining the minimum requirements for its functions. We'll then head over to the definition of our interface and the functions that we need. For example, depositing, withdrawing, and trading Ethereum-based tokens within our exchange. Then we'll move on to talking about the data structures that we need in theory. We talk about the necessary data structures and we're going to define what we're exactly going to use. For example, like a linked list or a FIFO stack. From there, we'll then do a short recap of events and we'll define the events that our contract will emit. Do be aware that this section is predominantly theory-based. It's vital to understand, hence we included it. But if you already understand the theoretical aspects, you're more than welcome to skip this section and move straight on to the practical elements of the exchange. If you have any questions throughout this section, please feel free to ask away in the course discussion board. Our average answer time is less than 24 hours, and by all means, if you see someone else having a problem which you already know the answer to, please feel free to jump in and answer it. See you in the next lecture.